Hello everyone, today I'm going to show how to make the paper F-18. This one gonna have no intake, but I updated. Now it looks more better than the other version. So what we're gonna do right now is just gonna leave an inch on the top, just like always. Now you're going to cut this part. And after you do that, you open the paper up like this. Now just put the two pieces of paper together, edge by edge, like this. So after you do, you have something like this. Now you're gonna fold this part of the airplane up to the middle. Measure about like this much, probably like let me see. Pretty much like 3/4 of an inch. Now you gotta fold this part up to here. Now you're just gonna fold this part down here. Now just fold the paper into 1/2. And after you do that, just do something like this. I'm gonna cut the engine. It'll be like approximately like this part to here is about 1 inch, and you're gonna cut in for like 1 inch, so it's kind of like a square or something like that if you actually draw it. Now after you do that, just open the paper up. You fold the paper in a little bit. No, about like this much. Now you're gonna fold the paper in half. Now you're gonna see this part. You're gonna cut in like, to this part like this. And open it again. You fold this part down. After you do that, just tape it. Alright, so after I finish with that, just put your scissors in here and then just cut the flaps like this. Now just do the same to the other side. After you do that, you fold this edge. No, the flap is a bit too big. You're gonna cut these parts off. And then you're gonna fold it. Do the same to both sides. Now, fold the airplane to half like this. No, not half. Just fold this part down. Do the same to the other side. Yeah, just gonna fold this part up. Now you just have to tape it. Now what you're gonna do right now is this. You fold this part down. Like this. And you just fold this part in. And you just put tape on it. Now what you're gonna do right now is this. Just do the normal airplane base. Try to make the head like not as big as the other airplanes. Then open it. You flip it to the other side. Like this. After you do that, fold the airplane. Fold this part up. And after you do that, you have something like this. The next step is going to be like this. You're going to cut this part of the paper there down. Put up to like right here, half of it. Do the same to the other side. After you do that, just fold this part down. Like this. And then you fold the front of it down. The same to the other side. Now you just use tape and tape that part. After you do this, you're going to draw a line right here above this part. This. You're going to cut this part. Now after you do that, just try to cut down a little bit. Like this. Now fold this part down. Like this. Do the same to the other side. Once you do that, just do the same thing as what you just did before to the front of the airplane. After you do that, you have something like this. Now just tape it down. Oh damn, I dropped my tape. There you go. And after you finish with that, you're gonna have something like this. Now just fold this part just like this. Just same to the other side, and just tape that part down as well. And after you do that, just fold the hind wing down. Now just try to cut in like this. You're gonna have to draw a line if you wanna know where to cut it. Cut somewhere near here. Now after you do that, for the airplane to have, you fold this part of the paper up. Now you're just gonna try to cut the shape of the F-18's wing. Now you gotta fold this part that we just the extra part up. Now just fold this into the shape of the wing. After you finish that, just try to cut the F-18's wing because, well, I don't really know how the hind wing look like. I'm just trying to guess right now. Just cut this like I'll just tape the wings. After I do that, just fold the airplane like this. Fold these two parts down. And then fold this part up. After I finish that, just fold this part down. After you do that, just lift these two wings up and then lock it together. After I finish with those two parts, just tape it down. Once you finish that, you can see there's this part that comes down a lot, so just keep that part down as well. After you do that, fold everything down like this, and then fold the cockpit like this. Now just tape everything down. Now if you feel like it, you can just tape the bottom of the airplane because some of the part just opens. After you do that, you pretty much have the F-18, but then you have to fix some of the detail of the airplanes. After open it up, you can see the back of it. It's kind of like a little bit open, so just try to cut that straight. And then right here on the wing, there's like these two flaps, just tape that down as well. Now once you finish that, just cut a little bit of detail. And just open it up nicely. And after that, you're pretty much finished with the airplane.